Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Max. My team is in the back right corner, Laura and Atish. Together, we are forming the research and development firm of H². And I'm going to talk to you a little about our product, the Verander System. So I just want to start off. So here in nature, we have a nice little coral reef here. And if you look real closely, you'll see an octopus appear. So what just happened there? Like, how did this octopus just appear out of nowhere? Well, we have no idea how that happens. But it really got us thinking about what can we do to make that happen. So that's when we came up with the Verander System. What is the Verander System? Well, it's acoustic-chromic paint, a paint that changes color with sound. Very simple. It's a polymer-based system where we're using an innovative way of polymers and chromatic paints to create this unique combination to create color change. And using ultrasonic power and frequency levels, we'll be able to get multiple colors out of one type of paint. And with that, you change color, you turn it off, it comes right back. So where can we go with this? Well, our first thought is why don't we get it to work? So you can see here two strips of a coating. Blue, which when ultrasound is applied to the middle of them, they change to white. And when we turn off the color, you'll notice it goes right back to normal. Very, very little hysteresis. So we wanted to go to the military with this. We thought, if we can make something change color and come back, well, why can't we use this for camouflage? They've been using camouflage since the 1940s. They use the typical color change, try to blend in with the background. For ships, they try to use grays and hard angles to blend in with the far background of the ocean. They also have sonar related, where they use dispersed sound waves and with sharp angles. And now recently, they even have infrared protection. But there's still nothing out there that perfectly hides you from the environment around you. That's what the Verander System can do. But why the military? Well, it's a $500 billion industry and only growing. And if you include overseas contingency plans, it's a $700 billion market. But here we have our developmental timeline, where the military is obviously the last step. But we learned that before you can run, you have to walk. So through these other steps, we figured, why not enter into other industries and cut down on how much it's going to cost for an initial investment? So we figured, with these other steps, what else will ultrasound be used in? Well, the medical diagnostic industry, where you can see here, ultrasound is used to check devices and other things. So it'll aid in the calibration of these devices. In addition, what will happen is we'll call a color spectrum, which will add additional data to be collected, which, with this data, you'll be able to focus in on what you're actually doing. But why the medical diagnostic? Well, it is a $1.4 billion industry and growing, and there's always going to be a need for it. So as I said, for an investment purpose, we only need $6 million because of these other fields. After a sunk cost of $6 million, you'll see that we'll break even after 3 years. And after year 5, when we start entering the military market, it'll start skyrocketing. So just think, for $6 million, you can take this and make it that. So thank you.